Sorry, I don't have nylon.
It's okay. Chineke. Yo, I have catch you today. You.
Who is this one?
You were insulting me on Instagram. You were insulting me on Instagram today.
Guy, I wound you.
Angel, calm down.
You
now.
calm down now. Why do you want to fight?
Is it not somebody that I've chopped that will fight?
You insult me. I will kill you today. If I don't kill you, this guy was insulting me on Instagram this morning.
Guy, I will kill you. I will break you.
You will kill me.
Angel, stop.
You say you will kill me.
Still go viral.
You will
Respect
kill me.
yourself. I don't
You
want
will
to
kill
fight
me.
here.
You will kill me. You will kill me. Oh, he's scaring me. He's running. He's running. Why is he running? He doesn't have strength. Why is he running? Why is he running?
Explain to me.
Why
what
is he running?
What happened?
He was in. My bread. Hey, my bread! My bread! My bread! My bread! My bread! Oh, Chineke God! Oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Bros, please now. Let's share the bread now, please now. Bros, continue insulting me on Instagram. I will follow you back.